Let's make quinoa chicken chili. Add 1 cup of quinoa to a large stock pot. I'm using a 5-quart Dutch oven. You're going to want to take this to the sink, fill it up with water, and wash it out 3 times. Quinoa and rice, things like this, are very dirty. So go ahead and wash it at least 3 times in the sink. Put it on the stove and add 4 cups of water. Now this is not how you make quinoa. This is how you make chili. So you're going to add more water to it than usual. Salt and pepper. In a frying pan with 1 pat of butter, add 1 large onion and 1 large bell pepper with 1 tablespoon of garlic. Okay, the quinoa is looking done right now after about 10 or 15 minutes. You'll see it's done when it has a little tail coming out of the seed, just like this. To the pot, add 1 cup of tomato paste without the sugar in it. One pinch of stevia, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. This is some chicken that I've had pre-cooked and frozen in my freezer. I cooked it in the crock pot with some onions. It's just 2 breasts. Stir it all together and make sure it's well incorporated. The chicken is going to break down because it's so soft. It's looking good already. Okay, it looks like the peppers and onions are done, so go ahead and take that off and pour it into the chili. Now this is a quick chili. This is less than 30 minutes to make. And just stir it up. I think you're really gonna like this. It's really delicious. If you make this, let me know what you think of it. Have a great day. Take care.